Migration to the new Roblox Chat is set to release on March 21st. This should allow console players to also chat. Spring Meadows comes out this Friday and lasts for 2 weeks. The tokens will be a lot easier to find than your typical tokens. You will be able to sniff them out, just like when having the Springram plush equipped back in Legacy before they had nerfed it, but this time without the boost, and the game will tell you what region they're in. Players will not be able to steal them off of you, as they will be client-sided, not server-sided. The creatures will also be in a gacha and the shop in case you do not get the creature you want from using the token. There would be 8 tokens spawning per day, and 1 would spawn per region. You may need to play as an aquatic creature to grab some of the tokens as some regions are underwater, and once all 8 tokens have been collected that day, you will need to wait for them to respawn the next day. There's gonna be 3 species in total in the gacha for week 1, and 4 in total for week 2, meaning there's a total of 2 new creatures for this year's Spring Meadows event, and since 8 tokens spawn per day and the event is 2 weeks, you would have 112 tokens if you got every single one. It's most likely going to be a 10% drop as there's only 3 creatures in the gacha for the first week. The ones that are sold in the shop will cost much. Aquatic resource recipes like shells, coral, algae etc. currently just need 3D models made for all those resources and for the larger aquatic nests, and then they should be able to ship aquatic nest recipes with little to no issues. The release date for this has yet to be decided. This week, engineers start taking a look at the private server cheat options for making things like roleplay servers where PvP gets disabled and whatnot. You will be able to set time of day, enable or disable weather and disasters, turn on or off hunger and thirst. This is what the server custom rules UI looks like. The private server owner will be able to go to settings and enable custom rules, and then toggle whatever they like in there. Everyone in the server gets notified when a custom rule changes. Players are notified when they first join the private server whether progression is disabled or not. Players can see what the server owner has configured in the settings, though they cannot edit them directly themselves. It will work if you have multiple private servers. You'll be able to configure them independently of each other.